Today's our topic is biological database. Here we have to discuss about nucleic acid database in details and its examples. Here we discussed about EMBL, GenBank and its structure of GenBank entries and then specialized genomic resource. Example is UniGene. Biological database area or space where informations are stored in electronic format is known as biological databases. In otherwise, we can say simply libraries of life sciences informations. Okay, then here the informations mainly collected from scientific experiments and scientific literature. Then computational analysis of these informations occur and the prediction and interpretation of data occur, then added into biological databases. Here mainly the informations regarding genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, microarray gene expressions, and phylogenetics are included. Core area of bioinformatics is biological database design, development, and long-term management. Biological database. Biological database is divided into two main categories. First one is nucleic acid database and second one is protein databases. Nucleic acid databases is simply known as sequence database. Protein sequence database is again divided into two categories. First one is sequence database and second one is structure database. Again, protein sequence database is divided into two categories. First one is primary sequence databases and secondary protein sequence databases. And we have to discuss about its example. First, nucleic acid sequence database. Examples are EMBL, GenBank, DDBJ. Here, information about nucleic acid sequences are available. In the case of primary protein sequence databases, examples are SwissProt, TREMBL, Bayer, GenPept. Here, information about primary protein sequence data are available. In secondary protein sequence databases, secondary sequential informations are available. Examples are prints, prosites, identify, and blocks. In structural databases, protein structural informations are available. Examples are SCOPE, CAT, and now we have to discuss nucleic acid database in details. Here we get the informations about nucleic acid sequences or nucleotide sequence informations like DNA, RNA sequence informations. Okay, and there are three major sites for finding informations about nucleic acids on the web. That are EMBL, GenBank, and DDBJ. These are also known as primary nucleotide sequence database. databases collected informations directly by scientists and genome sequencing groups and sequence taken from literature and patents. And in these databases, there is comparatively little error checking and there is fair amount of redundancy. And these databases are synchronized on a daily basis and provide accession numbers for each sequences to make easy to access. And these databases are now much larger, so the information handling is very difficult, so it is divided into several subcategories. Subdivisions are available for searching easier. The very important feature of these databases are no legal restrictions on the uses of the data in these databases. Now we have to discuss the examples of nucleotide sequence databases in details. In very first, we discussed about EMBL. What is EMBL? We know the full form of EMBL, European Molecular Biology Laboratory. Simply, it is nucleotide sequence databases developed by EBI, that means European Bioinformatics Institute in UK, and it is a molecular biology research institution supported by 27 member states. And these databases generally collect information from genome sequencing projects, scientific literature, and direct author submission. And it associated with other two nucleotide sequence database, GenBank and DDBJ, for exchanging information each other. So we can see the comprehensive collection of information in all three databases. The main activity of this database is the development, maintenance, and the distribution of a comprehensive database of nucleotide sequences. And the growth rate of the databases is very high. That means the content doubled in 9 to 12 month duration, and a typical entry contains a sequence, a brief description for cataloging purpose, a taxonomic description of the source organism, bibliographic information, and the feature table containing locations of coding region and other biological significant sites. That means if we search the informations about a sequence, we get the brief descriptions of all the informations about that sequence. That means it contains sequential informations and the brief descriptions and the taxonomic descriptions of the organism and the bibliographic informations and the feature of that particular sequence and the containing locations of coding region and other biologically significant sites. And we already mentioned about it contains huge amount of data for handling. It is divided into several subdivisions, so it contains many subdivisions, and its informations are accessing through SRS system, that means sequence retrieval system. Actually it is a tool for accessing the informations, and its URL address are providing here: http colon //www.ebi.uk.embl/. Okay, and these are the informations about EMBL. Okay, thank you.